So we over here using Magic Jack on the computer. Check this call out. Break. Sorry for being rude, Mr. Cadero. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to reach Cadero. This is the Bridgeport.
Who's this? Who's this?
The Bridgeport Health.
I didn't get nothing from no fucking clinic, my nigga. Who is?
The Bridgeport Health Clinic. Can I speak to Cadero, please?
Nah. He ain't got no motherfucker. Nah.
So, do you have gonorrhea?
Yeah, I got it from your mom.
I'm not trying to be rude with you, sir. He hung. He hung up. Yo! Jacuzzi! It's some good TV. You already know what it is. Yo, we gotta do this to a couple more.